Hey guys, Francis here. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to earn $2 of PayPal money every single minute. Now, this is a highly requested video because a lot of you guys have been asking me about websites you can use to make money and all that, because you just want to earn little cash, okay, every single time or every single minute as you go, okay, because a lot of people have been requesting for PayPal money because a lot of people have PayPal account and they just want to load that with cash. All right, so in this video I'm going to be sharing with you guys a website you can use to be earning PayPal cash, okay, every single time. And subsequently in some of my other videos I'll also be doing review for certain websites you can use to earn money as well, just like I've been doing lately. All right, now if this is your first time on stopping by on my videos, my name is Francis Abogonye. I make entrepreneurship videos, I do make money online methods and strategies, and I document my journey on this channel. So if you like videos like this one, I invite you to hit the red subscribe button, tick the bell notification icon so you'll be notified whenever I come up with videos like this one. That way you don't miss out on anything. So with that being said, let's dive right in just right after this intro. So guys, the name of the website we're going to be checking this out, okay, because I'm also going to be showing you guys what other people are talking about this particular platform and how you can use it to make money. All right, now the name of the website is called Remote Tax, okay, remotetax.com, okay, is the name of the website you can use to earn money doing tax, okay, and you can earn money from home. All right, and this is how it works. Let's just click how it works right here. We'll be taken to this section right here. Tag image, transcribe audio, moderate content. We have many interesting tasks for you to do. Okay, there are a bunch of tasks for somebody to do right here. You see, you can sign up here, which is easy to do. Okay, I actually have an account with them. I just signed up, all right, using my Facebook account. Okay, so you can connect your Facebook account to it. It's just easy. Okay, it's just a one-click sign up process. All right, you get paid weekly via PayPal. All right, you take exam, have ton of exams for you to take, then you work. Okay, do tax in categories. All right, you've unlocked. So you have to go through the training process, okay, where you take some exams, then before you start doing tax, then you start getting paid, okay, in PayPal cash. All right, now another thing to look at right here is the type of tax you're going to be doing. All right, like this one right here, image annotation. You have to draw out box around a particular image, okay, to identify that image. This one right here, section certain things in certain categories, okay, and on you go. I think this one is image transcription, is all right. So you transcribe images on this particular one. Comparison, okay, you have to compare two different things: audio transcription, data collection. These are the type of tasks you'll be doing on this platform, okay, to earn you PayPal money. All right, you want to be loading your PayPal with cash, okay, so you can meet some of their taxes right here. So when you come to this platform, you'll be seeing all this information. This is how this is what you'll find, okay, so you can navigate your way around the platform and see how it works and how you can get started with this as well, okay. On the FAQ section, there are a bunch of questions they've already answered for you, okay, and you can see do we have to pay to use this platform? Of course not. You don't get charged for working on our platform. However, you earn 2% PayPal transaction fee per payout. You see this section where they say do we have to pay to use the platform? They say of course not. We don't charge for working on our platform. However, there's a 2% PayPal transaction fee per payout. Okay, so if they're paying you out, there's a 2% PayPal fee they are charging for that, okay, because PayPal have some charges as well, so they'll be charging you for that, okay, when they're paying out. You see this section, they say how do we earn? You're paid per accepted tax, okay. The amount you get paid varies, okay, depending on the tax complexity. All right, and the payout is via PayPal on Fridays. You see, you get paid out every Friday and all that. All right, so you can come right here to the FAQ section and check out all this information right here that you need to know about this platform and how you can use it to earn PayPal money, okay. So in-person training bootcamp, there's a training that you'll be going through, okay, to know how to do some of the tasks on this particular platform. So you can see right here on the bottom section also, just like on the top, you can see they say sign up. So you just sign up through your Facebook. Once you click on sign up right here, you'll be taken to a page where you can use your Facebook, okay, to sign to sign up. All right, just use your Facebook account to sign up. Just once you click this, you click to the agree to the terms of service, open the terms of service and read it. Okay, if you have the time to do that, I know we don't mostly read this, right? So, but if you have the time, just read this, then agree to the terms of service. Then what you can now do is sign up with your Facebook account. Okay, let me just see what the terms of use are. Okay, so you can see it here. Information is kind of like huge, okay, but you can go through it if you have the time. But I didn't read this actually. Okay, so you can just I agree to the terms of use, because if you don't actually agree, you're not going to be able to use the platform. So agree if you want to use this platform, then use your Facebook account to sign in. Now let's look at what other people are talking about this platform. You see this person right here is saying, yeah, I've done a couple of tasks and gotten paid. Haven't used the site in months though, so I don't know if if there's been any changes. All right, you can see this particular one. Yeah, a very legit site, been using, just study the leader tax. Okay, this is the name of a particular tax you can be doing right here on this platform. I think I saw it somewhere in just a moment. Okay, let me come here. Yeah, I think somewhere here. Yeah, here. Leader. Is it leader? All right. So you can see this person is saying a very legit site, been using, just studied the leader tax, and you will be surprised on how interesting the tax are, and some good pay. Okay, you can highlight this, and some good pay. All right, so you are going to be earning money with this particular platform, and you can come right here and see what other people are talking about the about remote tax. Okay, so you can use that to earn PayPal cash. So with this website, okay, you can earn PayPal money, okay, over and over again. All you have to do is to come right here and take their training, sign up and take their training, then start performing tax, okay? And what you can use to sign up on this platform is your Facebook account, all right? That way you can be earning PayPal cash every single week, okay? And just like you see on the FAQ section, they pay out every Friday. And if you want to know more about it, okay, you can do your due diligence and research online and see what other people are talking about it and how much people are earning from this platform as well. All right, now if you find any value in this video, give this video a thumbs up to make money, or let me know in the comments how much you would like to make on a daily basis, okay, so that I'll make future content tailored to your goals, okay, and for your goals alone. All right, now if you're new and you haven't subscribed, make sure you hit the red subscribe button, tick the bell notification icon so you'll be notified whenever I come up with my next video. All right, that way you don't miss out on anything. Until next time guys, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye bye for now.